Ay. Hello. Good morning. Hello, what happened to my... Good morning, you. It's and good evening, Philippines. Ang aking camera. Anak. Ang aking anak, nandun naglalaro. Dala niya yung kanyang konting toys. Yan, konti lang. Kung ano lang yung gusto niyang toys. Ayan. So, may araw ngayon, guys. Pero malamig. Kaya ito, nagbe-vest kami. Ayan. So, kung yung laman nitong pony ay nasa loob. Pero,
pony.
You have pony? Yeah.
Ow.
Pero nasa loob ang...
Ow.
Just like that, anak. Because it's cold, anak. Just like that, because it's cold. So, dito upo kami kay... Malinis man to dito, guys. Malinis yan. Okay. So, ayan. May araw pero malamig. Right, anak? It's cold. Diba?
I called it.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow.
Your mata. So, sabi niya, malamig daw konti. Yeah. Popcorn, popcorn. Who wants some popcorn? Who is she?
Pony.
Pinkie Pie?
No.
Who is she?
Her friend, Jackson.
Just, huh?
Jackson. That's the funny Jackson.
Oh.
Funny Jackson.
Mm.
Oh, I have a popcorn. Hey,
Popcorn,
Jackson.
okay.
Jackson. Wait. Do you have
Where, the wife?
over there in my shop?
Okay.
Mom.
This is the husband. The wife
I know.
is gone.
Yeah, wife's gone. And a husband and the shop and have work and a husband have work.
Let's see. What happened to your doll shoe?
And the dog shoe apron.
Huh?
Apron dog. Apron
Oh
dog.
my God, pretty bird. Looking for her mom. White bird, anak, oh. White bird. See?
Yeah.
That's white bird. Dove.
Okay.
That's dove.
Hey,
Hello.
I'm trying my
Where are you? I
apron.
can see you.
I'm
Where
there.
are you?
I'm
Are you
there. I'm there.
there? I don't know where you are. Oh, I see you now. Your hair is color purple. You're so purple here. You have purple here and pink legs, pink ears, white wings, and pink body.
Yeah, and I have
So are you a Pinkie Pie?
no.
Are you a purple pie?
Nope.
Are you a pinky purple pony?
Nope. I have I'm Ty Sparkle.
Are you Twilight Sparkle?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Ma-
Nice to meet you, Twilight Sparkle.
Mom.
Mhm.
My husband.
Nice to meet you, Twilight Sparkle. Anyway, my name is Minion. I have big eyes, and I have a teddy bear with me, and I'm wearing old pants, color blue. What else? And boots too.
No, wait. This one. Pocket.
Oh, so yeah, and my pants I have pocketed. Okay, so I have a black
Man.
gloves.
Man.
Yes.
My turn.
Okay.
And my husband.
I'm looking for the camera. I have a big eyes, but I don't know where the camera is.
Right there.
Oh, right there. I see you now. I see you. Who's that big eyes? Oh! I don't know what to do. Who's that big eyes right there? Oh, that was me. it's me. I see.
I
Oh, another big eyes. Oh, again, it's me.
have my husband at work.
Huh?
My husband at work.
Okay.
And I have a job now.
You have a job now?
No. I have a job now, and my husband have a job now.
Oh, I see.
I don't know what this is.
Oh,
Megan,
minion.
where have box is?
Well, honestly, I don't have any idea also, but
Somebody take your box.
yeah.
Can I take out?
Yeah.
Somebody take your box out and have it. Are you a ginger?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Somebody take your box.
Yes.
Somebody quiet.
Oh my God, how do you know that?
And cause a pocket a gun and a point gun and a yellow gun.
Oh, I see.
Hi,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh,
That hurt me.
no, I'm not hurting you. I tried to give you a shake hands. Where's your hand?
I did.
All right, there. Okay, I'm so sorry. I scare you. But I'm friendly though.
A walk. Mom.
What?
Mom, hello.
Hello, what is it?
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah. I'm minion.
Okay. I bring a box and ginger.
Okay.
Mom,
Well,
pray me.
look at you.
Mommy, pray me.
Yes. I'm waiting, I'm waiting,
Hey.
Hi.
Ian,
Hi, Twilight Sparkle. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, good.
I hit my head.
Oh, you hurt your head?
Yeah.
I'm so
and
sorry. You want me to give you a kiss?
No.
Please?
No.
I insist.
I don't have.
I insist.
My husband give me kiss.
I will give you a kiss. Oh, thank you for that.
No. I have no. My husband give me kiss.
What?
My husband give me kiss.
But I want to give you a kiss.
No.
Don't jump! Don't jump! Okay. Let's serious, okay? Let's be serious. What are you doing? I'm here. You're so lucky I have a big eye. What? I have a big eye! So,
I love it.
you love it?
No.
I love it when you call me Senorita. Oh!
I have my.
I'm so sorry.
I
I'll
have
give you a
some.
kiss. I'll give you a kiss. What? What is that? Mawa?
Yes.
Yes. You did not wash your hand. You did not wash your hand.
Hi.
Hello. What do you want to know about me? Ask me anything. I will tell you everything. Why is it so dark?
I put that. Wait.
I can't stand. I'm so loud. Oh. Don't be lazy, minion. What? What did you do to me?
Wait. Oh. My million.
I'm not showing you. I'm showing you my eye.
Ba.
Why are you treating me so bad? I'm your mommy. My mommy minion. You're a mommy minion.
I love my mommy.
Minion, stand up.
My mommy, my mommy, my mommy have a,
Your mommy what?
have
Have
a cold came
big bat. What?
No big back,
Bat?
the big bat.
Yeah, I am.
I mean, I have big bat.
I love you, my love of my life.
My mommy have a key mic, and my mommy have a here, and my mommy have a
Two eye. Two eye.
yes.
And two dimple.
No,
How many dimples do I have?
one,
Two.
one,
Two.
one,
I have one. I have one here. One here. So
No.
1, 2.
one.
That's yours. Where is mine? Show me. What else? Where? That's not that's dimple. That's not. That's not pimples. As that's not dimples. That's pimple.
Right there, and right there.
Nak, I said dimple, not pimples.
And
Oo,
a
may ano.
tinkle,
Dimple.
and a tinkle.
Na- I have two. Look. Right here. Oh, like right here. Like yours. Smile. See, you have 1, 2. Okay, show me your dimple. And how many dimples that I have? Dimples, not dimples, not pimples.
Tinkle.
How to the pimple? What is that? What is it? Karanain ko na siya dito ah. Niloloko ko ng anak ko. Tinuturo niya yung pimples ko. May pimples ako dito kasi yung aking sinus na naman is nag-irritable na naman siya. So, nagkakaroon ako ng headache, connection sa aking sinus, headache, and nerve problem. So, ang daming connection yan. So, kasi malamig na. So, nerve and headache. Kaya ganon. Kaya, ayan, ito na, tumaba na naman ang aking dito. Akala mo hindi nakakatulog. Pero natulog na ako, guys. And nagising ako alas 12 ng tanghali. Kasi dumating kami dito kanina maaga. So, natulog ko ulit. Kasi tulog si Daltea. So, ayan. Kasi nga, may nerve problem ako and may headache problem. Connection sa akin, sinus. And ito na, kaya na pimples ako dito. Yes. Oh, what is this?
Me.
Door gate.
Oh, my weed.
Okay.
This is my weed.
Mhm.
This is my weed.
Mhm.
This is my weed.
Okay. So, come on, now, let's play. Let's play together. What's wrong with you? Oy, tayain ninyo ni guys. Number. Di maklaro.
This is my people.
Your people, what is your people?
My people.
It's a number 118 311.
One.
Oh no, 118 31.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Huh?
1, 2, 2, 3,
4 4.
4.
Okay.
This is mine. This is mine. Your tape is 6.
Okay. Minion, stand up, Minion. Say hi to my friends. Say hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. My name is Minion.
And my name, and me.
My name?
And my name, my son name.
No. Pinkie Pie man.
No.
Twilight Sparkle.
Yeah.
Oh, say, tell.
I'm Kai Sparkle. I'm Kai Sparkle. I'm flying.
Ooh. How old are you, Pinkie Pie? Oh, Twilight Sparkle.
I'm 4.
Hui. Straight. What's that?
I'm 4.
That's what happened to you.
I'm 4.
Oh, that's what's that? 3.5?
No, I'm 4.
Like this 4.
No, I'm 4.
What's wrong with this? Yeah, that's 4. That's 4 right there.
I'm 4.
What? Tarungan na imo 4 dira.
This one 4.
That's 3.5.
This one not 4.
This is 4.
No, this one 4.
What's wrong with this?
No, this one 4.
What's wrong with this one here?
This is
Straight.
4.
That's 3.5.
This is 4.
Naloka ko ng anak.
I'm fine.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh man, you're not smart. Tell me, show me 4, not 3.5. 4. You're not smart. You're not smart. Naloko ako ng anak ko, guys. Okay. What? What's wrong with you, baby?
Me?
Who?
A baby.
Wait, Minion, what are you doing down there? I heard voices. Oh, somebody playing. The trees. Students. Oh, they're taking pictures. They're taking pictures. Students, guys. Nandun. Ang ganda na ang mga dahon, no? Kulay, hindi na siya kulay green. Iba na siya. The leaves color.
Yeah.
Rambutan.
Rambutan?
Yes.
Mama, tint.
You like rambutan? It's my favorite.
Amelia, eat that.
Okay. Ew, I don't like this kind of food. They're so nasty.
Then take that.
It tastes so nasty. I don't like it. I'm Minion, but I'm not eating like this kind of food. I don't like it. How about you? Do you like it?
Yes.
Because I'm Minion and you're a pony. I don't have a tail. Where's your tail anyway?
No.
Where's
Then I have no tail.
Oh, your husband don't have tail?
Yeah. I'm flying.
Oh man, and so you only have wings?
Yes.
I don't have wings, but we're friends, right? I don't know how to eat this kind of food.
This mine.
Okay.
Oh mine. Yeah. Eat your food. Here it is.
Birds are birds.
Get some of your food. Mine
Okay,
food.
can I taste it?
Yes. Mom.
Ha, man, I said can I taste it and you said yes.
No.
No.
Taste something yummy.
You want Minion to eat your food, but me, I'm your own mother, and you don't want me to eat your food?
Good. Listen. Mom.
What? Minion, can you please behave? Let's eat.
Oh my.
Huy, enough. Enough. Thank you very much for the food. I really appreciate, but eating stone is not easy. You know that, guys. Look at my anak. Oi! Don't put your lips. We're pretending. Don't make it real.
I'm making it well.
What? Your lips? We're just pretending. I like to eat your hair. It smells so good.
Go away.
No.
Go away.
Back to our shop. You don't have mama. You're alone. No ice cream anymore. No ice cream anymore? What? Yes, it is. Oh man, Minion, come back. Minion, you're such a naughty man. Wait. Hi, toilet sparkle. Don't do that to me. Minion. Okay.
I'm done. See ya.
Okay. I'm done. I'm good too. I'm good. Thank you very much. I really appreciate for the food. And, oy. Ayaw tanong na. And, I thought you're done. What are you doing? Why are you still eating?
I'm done.
Okay. Nahulog si Minion. Nahulog.
I'm not done.
Okay.
I'm right here.
Anak, are you serious, anak? Uy, enough na.
Eat it. I want. Okay.
Ito ay put inside, adali. Come on, let's go walk. Let me cover. Here, this one. Give me a second.
Okay.
let's go. Give me, let me help you. Come on, let's go. Okay. Maglalakad kami. Uy, the camera! What happened to my camera? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Nam nyam 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 nyam. Nyam 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 nyam, dance dance. Nyam 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 lakdam. Nam nyam 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 nyam. Uy, no siya naman eh. Mermaid.
I know mermaid. I'm a flip guy. Oh,
Stand up, stand up.
girl.
Stand up.
Flip girl.
Huh?
I'm not flip girl.
Dance, dance.
I'm not flip girl.
Okay, come on, let's go. What are you doing? So guys, that's our powerful anak. Amazing anak. Sinabit niya sa buhok niya.
Oh, I hurt my.
Hurt your ears na? Your ears here?
Hurt my. This.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Wait, Joe.
This way.
Candle. Mommy, I fell down.
Oh wow, that's nice. Careful, okay?
It's just open.
Wait, careful. Gate is open.
Huh?
The gate is open. Ang aking mahal na anak nandun. O, nakaupo na. Hey, baby girl. How are you today? Wait.
I'm close today.
Huh?
I'm close today.
You're what?
I'm close today.
You're what?
I'm close today.
Close today?
Yeah.
Oh, your business is closed?
Yeah.
Huh, I'm not lucky, huh?
I'm not big girl.
So, I'm so sorry. So, what? Baby boy?
I'm a baby girl right there.
So, who are you? Baby boy?
No,
What?
I'm a store.
Your store?
Yeah, I'm a store.
The store is closed?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not lucky then. Okay.
Store is closed.
Hi guys! So dito kami ngayon sa labas ng aming shop. Labas doon. Hindi, labas dito. Nandaan yung school. So nandito kami. And ang gusto ng anak ko maglalaro. So that's why we're here. And nag-ikot-ikot, magduwa-duwa. Yes. Kahit may headache. So dito kami. And hapon na kasi ngayon lang kami nakalabas. Yes, ngayon lang kami nakalabas kasi sabi ng aking mahal na asawa, maganda ang weather kahit malamig kasi ano na, malapit ng winter, so lumabas kami. Nilalamig ako. What's that?
I hate
Very.
fairy custard. Fairy.
Anak ko nagkukuha na ng mga dahon. Okay, so dami sasakyan dumadaan. Okay. Nako.
I said, come here. Up in the shelves. Maybe said, up in the shelves.
Nanonood sa amin. Nahiya tuloy ako. Nahiya ako. Pinapanood kami. Murag-murag guys, ipatanaw. Ipatanaw na ulam ko eh. Naulaw ko. Murag naulaw ko maghimog video.
Up in the shelves. Garnish.
Show me.
This one is garnish
Oh.
and colors.
Oh.
I have put in my garnish red.
What? I feel cold now?
No.
Asus!
Mom. What do you like?
Tadaan!
Mommy, you like on my garnish. Come here.
Okay, go. Mura man nagi ag mga unsa may nangaagi diri okay nangahapla man ang mga kuan diha nangahapla. Ha?
Close today.
Close today.
Open cell.
Oh, look.
Hurry
got
up. Open cell.
Yeah.
Say goodness.
Oh, dali na.
Say goodness there, Mom. Say goodness.
Here. Woohoo! Yeah! Boo! Yeah! Listen.
This is say goodness.
Oh, here.
Goodness. Open cell.
Yeah! This one, please.
This one is cell. This one is cell. Never?
Kanang kuha ko ng ganito, guys. Kamo na See. Nice, guys.
Yes.
Diba?
Say goodness.
Ah. Ha, makalaro. Makalaro look flowers. Makalaro. Makalaro siya parang just like that. See? Nice ba guys siya? Diba? Ha? Okay. Mabobo nang iya ang mga dulaan. Nahulog na, nahulog. May minion. And my popcorn. Oh, got it. Almost. Careful. Oh man, careful. Come on. Don't go that way because look. Wait lang, this way. Go, come on, go get your other toy. Yeah. That's fine. Thank you. Magpisong. Okay. Oh! Thank you. Got it, guys. That's big, anak. That's big. Okay, go. Oh, again. One more time. Uy, nahulog. Okay. Oh, no more na, no more. Oh, careful. Careful. Now we get our stuffed toys, guys. What's that? What is that?
Mommy!
What?
Ants!
Where? Ants? Only ants, not?
There!
Where?
There, and close to me.
ito. Happy? Happy?
My turn.
My turn? No, I'm not. Give me a second. Okay, just like that. Look at me.
I say you.
Where's the grass? Focus the camera. Focus to me. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
This better.
Huh?
This one the better.
Better now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh. Okay, fine. I'm done.
Bye bye, vlog.
Okay, good now.
Then after. Then. Stop. Stop.
This is our popcorn, guys. This is our popcorn.
No.
And this is the Twilight Sparkle.
No,
What's
my man.
Put the menu here.
No, my manager. This is my manager.
Manager.
My manager.
Minion manager.
My manager, right there.
Yeah.
My manager. This is my manager.
Okay, my manager.
Yeah, manager.
And this is our food.
This is our food.
Put it here.
No, I put it.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
I'm ready to fight. And I have a power. Fire!
How the Lego answers and the Lego powers.
Really? Snow.
And this no snow.
Let it go. It's snow.
Yeah, Lego snow.
Snow. I have a fire power.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Let it go. You sing. Let it go. Let it go. Oh,
Ha.
Nahulog. Nahulog. Oy, how's your eyes? Good? Yes.
And manager.
Why were you standing? I can't see you in the camera.
Huh. Up in the air.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm the winner. I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
I'm a winner.
I'm dead, guys. I'm dead.
I'm a winner.
And the winner is Daltea. Princess Daltea. Woohoo. Okay. I'm
Hey.
dead, so
I'll be back.
okay.
Me, manager. Mom, this is I'm Lego. Mommy.
Lipstick. My lipstick. Your fault. Wipe it. Yeah, still there. Oh, Lord. Wait, the camera. Video now. So now they have food right here. Minion is here. Yeah, Minion.
Sorry, Minion.
No way.
Please.
This is my food.
This is my food.
My mommy. Can we share?
No.
What? You don't want to share your food for me? Don't be selfish, please.
Okay.
Mm,
I want to share. I want to share.
I'll share. Thank you. They're eating. So this is so yummy. Mommy is the best.
Yes, I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, I'm
You're full now?
Nope. I have it there.
Thank you. Mm. So yummy. Thank you very much for sharing your food. I really appreciate. Thank
My
you.
mommy give me that.
What?
I give me that.
Give
My
you
mommy-
that food?
Nope.
What?
All the bottles.
Oh, you're so lucky to have a mommy like her, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
And that my bottle.
Okay.
I want to drink million.
Sure. Please.
Oh, they help me. They help me.
Okay.
Here you go. That's it.
She's so serious, guys. Thank you very much. I'm full.
Come here, man. I'm not full.
I'm full.
Look, my tummy not full yet.
Your tummy not full yet? Oh man, my tummy is full. Look.
Not full.
Okay.
Come here,